Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of selling digital products. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned online seller, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you harness the power of digital products and skyrocket your sales. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss this. What are digital products? Digital products refer to goods or services that are delivered, accessed, or consumed in digital format, primarily through electronic devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, or e-readers. Unlike physical products, which require manufacturing, shipping, and handling, digital products exist purely in digital form and can be distributed instantly over the internet. Examples of digital products include ebooks, online courses, software applications, digital artwork, stock media, templates, subscription services, digital courses, printable, webinars, and workshops. These products offer convenience, accessibility, and scalability, making them popular among creators, consumers, and businesses in today's digital age. Why should we sell digital products? Unlike physical products, digital products are intangible assets that can be created once and sold repeatedly, offering infinite scalability and profitability. From ebooks and online courses to software and digital artwork, the possibilities are endless. Plus, with minimal overhead costs and no need for inventory management or shipping logistics, selling digital products allows you to maximize your profits and focus on what truly matters, creating valuable content for your customers. Certainly. Here's a list of types of digital products along with brief descriptions for each. 1. Ebooks. Digital books that can be downloaded and read on e-readers, tablets, or computers. They cover a wide range of topics and are popular among authors, bloggers, and content creators. 2. Online courses. Interactive educational programs delivered over the internet, covering subjects such as skill development, academic topics, professional development, and personal growth. They often include video lectures, quizzes, and assignments. 3. Software applications. Programs or applications designed to perform specific tasks or functions on computers, smartphones, or other digital devices. Examples include productivity tools, graphic design software, and mobile apps. 4. Digital artwork. Digital creations such as illustrations, graphic designs, photography, and digital paintings. They can be sold as downloadable files or printed on physical products like posters and merchandise. 5. Stock media. Digital assets such as stock photos, videos, music tracks, and sound effects licensed for commercial use. They are commonly used by content creators, marketers, and businesses to enhance their projects. 6. Templates and themes. Pre-designed templates and themes for websites, blogs, presentations, and documents. They save time and effort for users by providing customizable layouts and designs. 7. Subscription services. Access-based digital products that provide ongoing content, services, or features in exchange for a recurring subscription fee. Examples include streaming platforms, online memberships, and software subscriptions. 8. Digital courses. Short-form educational content delivered through platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. They offer targeted learning experiences on specific topics or skills. 9. Printables. Digital files such as planners, worksheets, calendars, and organizational tools designed for printing at home. They are popular among individuals seeking customizable and budget-friendly solutions. 10. Webinars and workshops. Live or recorded online events that offer educational or informational content on various topics. They provide opportunities for engagement, interaction, and learning from experts in real time. These are just a few examples of the diverse range of digital products available in the market today, each catering to different needs and preferences of consumers and creators alike. Let's talk about how to identify your target audience and niche. Take the time to research your audience demographics, interests, and pain points. What problems are they facing, and how can your digital products provide solutions? By understanding your audience's needs and preferences, you can tailor your products to resonate with them and stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're targeting busy professionals looking for productivity tools or creative enthusiasts craving inspiration, honing in on your niche will set the stage for success. Whether you're writing an ebook, recording an online course, or designing a software application, prioritize quality and value above all else. Invest in professional tools and software to ensure polished and engaging content. Pay attention to design aesthetics, user experience, and functionality to enhance the overall appeal of your products. And don't forget to solicit feedback from beta testers and early adopters to refine your offerings and ensure they exceed expectations. Pricing your digital products can be a daunting task, but fear not. With the right strategy, you can set a price that reflects the value of your products while maximizing your revenue potential. Consider factors such as production costs, market demand, competitor pricing, and perceived value when determining your price point. Experiment with different pricing tiers and promotional strategies to find the sweet spot that resonates with your target audience. And don't be afraid to adjust your prices over time based on market feedback and sales performance. You've created amazing digital products, but now it's time to get the word out and drive sales. Implementing a strategic marketing and promotional plan is crucial for attracting customers and generating buzz around your products. Leverage social media platforms, email marketing, content marketing, and influencer partnerships to reach your target audience and build brand awareness. Offer irresistible incentives such as limited-time discounts, bonuses, and exclusive access to entice potential customers to make a purchase. And don't underestimate the power of customer testimonials and reviews in building trust and credibility for your products. Last but certainly not least, providing excellent customer support is essential for fostering long-term relationships with your customers and ensuring their satisfaction with your digital products. Be responsive to inquiries and feedback, and strive to resolve any issues or concerns in a timely and professional manner. Offer comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and FAQs to help customers get the most out of your products. And consider implementing a robust refund or satisfaction guarantee policy to instill confidence in your customers and remove any barriers to purchase. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to unlocking the power of selling digital products. So, take what you've learned today, put it into action, and watch your sales soar. Thanks for watching.